Hi, Jenny here. Today we are going to make a broccoli fruit salad. Let's get started. For the main part of the recipe, we are going to need 1.5 pounds of broccoli, which we are going to cut off the florets, 1 cup of fresh blueberries, 1/4 cup of red onion chopped up, 1/2 cup of dried cranberries, 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds, 1 apple chopped up, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and then for the dressing, we need 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. First we are going to cut up our apple into small pieces and then pour the 1 tablespoon of apple juice over it so that it will help prevent the apple from browning. We will cut off the florets of the broccoli and just put them in a very large bowl that we'll mix all our ingredients in. So with the broccoli, I'm sure you've seen this before, the stores, it grows like in the stalks, so we're just going to cut off the heads. And then again, I'm also going to cut it into smaller pieces so that it'll be bite size and all good, ready to eat. So we're just going to do that with all of the broccoli. And my husband bought the broccoli, he actually weighed it on a scale, got the 1.5 pounds. We'll save the stems. See if I can find something to make a recipe out of those. I'm sure I could shred them and maybe make some broccoli soup or something. So let me know in the comments if you use the broccoli stems up too and what you make with them. I've tried just chopping them up before and putting them like in a salad or something, and they're just too tough. So cooking them, I guess, would be preferable. I'd probably try to make like a cream of broccoli soup. I've had cream of broccoli soup in restaurants before. It's really good. That way too, because I think then you just put it in a food processor along with some like warm milk or whatever, and mix that all up to make a soup. That might work. Once again, next we cut up a 1/4 cup of red onion. I went ahead and did that, and then my camera flipped off and realized that it had flipped off before, and when I hit the little button instead of turning on to record, it just turned the screen on. So, yes, as I was cutting my onion and then I had a piece hit the floor, and I said again, it would not be a cooking video with me if something didn't hit the floor. So in any case, I have my 1/4 cup of red onion all cut up, and usually 1 onion is about 1 cup's worth of onion. So obviously I have leftover onion. Usually what I like to do then is I cut up the whole onion, put it in a baggie, and then double bag it because onions are very scenty, smelly. Put it in the freezer so that when I'm making then my soups on the weekend or whatever, just for the family to eat, I can just grab the onion out of there right away. It's good to go, and I can add that in my soup. And that way again, yeah, the onion is good to go, and then that makes it nice and quick for the next recipe. We are now going to mix together the basic ingredients, and then we will make our dressing and put that on top. So we have our broccoli in there, we have our blueberries, our cranberries, our onion, sunflower seeds, and the apple pieces. This looks so pretty. Now we will mix this all together. To make the dressing, we are going to combine our Greek yogurt, honey, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and poppy seeds in a bowl and mix that all well together. Lemon juice all over the kitchen. Oh yeah, it's a good day. That's an onion on the floor, apple juice all over. You know what I'll be doing after this? I will be mopping. I mean, sometimes I'm messy, but come on. I'm usually not this messy. Oh, yeah. All right, for our 1/4 cup of honey, I'm going to try spraying this because I don't feel like trying to get my other little push measuring cup out. So we'll see if this will help make it come out easily. I don't know why I didn't realize it when I was mixing this up with the poppy seeds being in there and stuff, that obviously we were making a poppy seed dressing. As I'm mixing, I'm like, oh wait, I've got something that looks just like that in my refrigerator. I have some poppy seed dressing. But what the heck, we've got homemade dressing. So we are going to pour this all over our broccoli mixture and then mix all that up. The broccoli fruit salad is done. This is another one of those quick, easy dishes, it seems, that you can make if you have a family gathering or some event to go to bring a dish to pass. So let's see how this tastes. It has all my favorite ingredients in there. So, get some apple and broccoli, maybe a blueberry. I can have blueberry, or I can have broccoli. Small amounts. Just gotta make sure I chew really well. Okay, well, the apple, blueberry, broccoli has good taste. With that poppy seed dressing, the first taste that hits my tongue is the apple cider vinegar. So, I don't know if that will mellow out as this sits for a while. We'll see. By the time I edit this, I'm sure I will have had like a second or third bowl of this. I'll let you know in the comments or in the description what I think. If, for me, taste-wise, it could use less apple cider vinegar. But other than that, it tastes really good. I like it. But I will leave this recipe down in the description below. Let me know. Broccoli in my teeth. Let me know in the comments down below if you like to eat broccoli salad and if you've made it before and what type of ingredients you like to put in there. I know there's another type of broccoli salad I've had that has like the ramen noodles in there. So that one is on my list of things to make at some point. So in any case, I'm going to finish my little snack here and then I'm going to mop the floor. So you guys keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Oh, broccoli. It's recording. The red light is on. It is recording. Good Lord.